Today we're going to be running a Tebis program. What's it going to be?
So today we're showing our adaptive roughing technique, which has been on the market for just over a year. It's a trachoidal type technique, which is basically going for the part at full depth at 27mm. The material's steel, and we need to basically show a reduction in cycle time for our customers.
And how do you do it?
So basically, it's our roughing technique. So within our roughing cycle, we have conventional roughing and adaptive roughing technique. So we can understand if you need to go over 20%, or you can understand what depth of cut you need to do. You can also put the feeds and speeds. You can reduce the feeds and speeds, and you can do helix movements into roughing as well.
Okay, so what are the advantages firstly on the cutting tool?
So it's less pressure on the tool, and also because we're going full depth, you'll get a decrease in cycle time. So you'll get a lot faster components off the machine. And
the process reliability?
Yeah, the process reliability is constant, because what we're doing inside Tebis is we use our full simulation package. So kinematics of the machine and collision checking of all the part and tool change and accurate cycle time of the part.
So all that's integrated into Tebis, there's no third-party software?
No, we don't use third-party software. Basically, with our solution, we can come on site, we can scan the machine, and we can build the machine, so it's an accurate representation of that machine. And we include tool changes, we include all the collision checking of the fixture, of the component and the tool.
I do hear that quite a lot actually. People, they go into their cam to get a cycle time, and when they actually produce the part, it's nowhere near.
No, that's because we include tool change. We also include acceleration and de-acceleration of the machine. So we have standards that we incorporate into our virtual machine that we take off the machine tool vendor, like ETG today.
Your shirt says you're the CAD CAM experts, are you?
Of course we are, yes.